Alright, good morning traders. It is Friday, June 21st. Just going for a quick update on the trading account as we haven't streamed all week. So just taking a look at the news. So lots of news that came out this week. We had the Australian, the Swiss, the British pound, all of their financial interest rate decisions that came out. And as of this morning, we had a bunch of Euro manufacturing information that came out, as well as British pound, and we have retail sales for the Canadian dollar and some more manufacturing information for the US dollar in a little bit. Taking a look at the charts here, we're going to quickly zip through these guys on the hourly, see if we can quickly identify any trends or any opportunities. Although it doesn't look like many of the pairs have moved much today. So while I haven't necessarily been streaming all week, I have been checking out the charts and taking trades as I see fit. So we're still in this CADCHF trade here. We're still in the CADCHF and USDCHF trade. Obviously it's been slowly weakening. The Swiss has been quite strong. However, there was the interest rate decision that came out yesterday that was lower than expected. So they were expecting 1.5, came out as 1.25. The yen has still been pretty weak across the board. Most of the pairs are shooting up quite consistently. GCAD, this position that we've been in for a while now, we're finally starting to come back to our original levels. We can see we are out of this third trade, but we are still in the first and second trade here. We will be out of these trades once price comes down to roughly this level of 1.724. So 1.724, quick math, still about 80 pips away, a little less. Doesn't look to be too much in the way of potentials here. Again, just like we're still in CADCHF, we're still in USDCHF. Similar story. Alright. Let's see. Let's check out the journal real quick. So there was a trade we took earlier this week. Yeah, definitely gonna have to update the record here. Alright. Properties, we have 703. Maybe something's a little different this week. Oh, there we go. We had no trades this week. Interesting. Okay, but we do have some previous trades. There you go. I think that's been the first week in a very long while we haven't had any trades. Okay. Yeah, they did have this action. Yeah. Would it be?
I'd say that EURGBP is a good one for today. So
Well, I disagree.
it's a good one to not do.
I disagree.
To not do. It's a good one not to do. Is what I said.
All right. So outside of being harassed by my girlfriend, there is not much happening in the charts. Like I said, there will be some Canadian news dropping in about 2 minutes. If it's good for the Canadian dollar, it'll be good for our CAD Swiss and GBPCAD trades. If it's bad, it'll be bad for those two trades. But it's retail sales, so I'm not expecting a whole lot. US dollar retail sales. Similarly, if it's good, it'll be good for our trades. There's probably a bit of a sympathy play for the Canadian dollar if the US dollar is doing well. Yeah, that'll be about it. Let's take a gander. How soon? About 25 seconds. Yep.
Sounded like a cherry. I know it couldn't be a cherry.
All right. Canadian dollar news is out. Not much effect on the market. So it's supposed to be good for the Canadian dollar. Not much movement here. Didn't really expect a whole lot of movement, to be honest. So I think this is what we're going to call it. This will be the update for the week, and I will see you next week. Good luck, traders, and stay profitable.